Hello everyone. You know, there is a little master before me. आज हमारे सामने बैठे हैं कृष्णा अरोरा और I'll talk to Krishna in English and I will have a conversation with him in English language. आज मैं इनसे बात करूंगा कुछ अंग्रेजी में, जानेंगे इनकी स्टडी के बारे में, जानेंगे इनकी इंग्लिश का क्या हाल चल रहा है, जानेंगे इनके रूटीन के बारे में, जानेंगे बहुत कुछ इनके बारे में कि किस तरीके से इन्होंने अपनी इंग्लिश को अपने आप को मेंटेन किया हुआ है। आज हम जानना चाहते हैं इतनी कम एज में और एक पढ़ने वाला बच्चा अपनी इंग्लिश को कैसे मेंटेन रखता है और किस तरीके से अंग्रेजी के जवाब देते हैं। आज हम जानना चाहेंगे कृष्णा की कहानी, उन्हीं की जुबानी। ऑलराइट, सो कृष्णा, हाउ आर यू?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
Very well. Oh, Krishna, tell me something about your morning schedule. You tell me, something about your morning schedule a little bit.
So first of all, I wake up at 6 o'clock early in the morning. Then I freshen up. Then I take my breakfast. Sometimes I take milk, but sometimes I took paratha. Then I use my phone for some time. Then I study.
Oh, very nice. Krishna has told I use phone, then I study. Krishna, do you use phone?
So sometimes I use phone.
All right. Could you tell me, please, what company phone do you use?
So I use Oppo phone.
Oppo phone. You use Oppo phone. So, what phone does your mummy use?
So my mother use Apple phone.
My mother uses Apple phone. Very nice. Why don't you use Apple phone?
So because I don't want Apple phone and I don't like it.
You don't like it. So, is it your personal phone? Which one is Oppo?
No, sir, it's not my personal phone.
Alright, it's not your personal phone. So, what do you operate in phone?
Sometimes I see videos on YouTube and Instagram and my important works of messages and school programs I have to manage.
Oh, I see. Very nice. So, Krishna, you tell me one thing. You use phone for study purpose and for recreation and for fun. Alright. So, what application do you like the most?
I like WhatsApp the most.
You like WhatsApp the most. Alright. So, do you chat on WhatsApp?
Yes, sir, I chat on WhatsApp.
Who do you chat with?
I chat with my family members, friends and relatives.
Oh, very nice. Wonderful. Krishna, you tell me please, how many friends have you got?
I have got a small friend circle. There are only 10 and 20 friends of mine.
Okay, there are 20 friends of you. Very nice. So, what friend do you like the most?
I like my school friends like Ayush Gupta and many more.
Alright, Ayush Gupta you like the most. You tell me one thing, where does he live?
He lives near Ghini Bagh in Shahjahanpur.
Alright, Ginniwag in Shahjahanpur. Krishna, you tell me something about your future plan.
I want to be a doctor and I'm also interested in sports like football. I want to do MBBS and be a doctor.
Oh, I see. Very nice. So you want to be a doctor, so why have you selected this particular field like medical? You kind of boy should be a pilot, should be an engineer. Why have you chosen only to be a doctor that I want to be a doctor? Could you tell me something about this secret?
Yes, my mother's dream was to become a doctor, but she couldn't because she could not afford it. But I wanted to be a doctor to complete her dream.
Oh, I see. Very nice. Krishna, I am proud of your words and I am proud of you. मैं आपके शब्दों पे बहुत ही गर्वान्वित हूँ because Krishna wants to complete her mother's dream. He's saying my mother wanted to be a doctor, but she could not be a doctor because of some lack of money. But Krishna wants to complete her dreams. Krishna, all the best that you should complete her dreams.
Thank you.
Krishna, what particular specialty do you want in medical? You want to be a cardiologist, you want to be an orthopedic. What kind of degree do you want? Do you know something about this?
So I want to be a dentist.
Oh, I see. Very nice. You want to be a dentist. Because there are many dentists in the city, but I don't think so. They are good. So you can be a good dentist in your life. Very nice. So where will you do your MBBS from?
So the nearest place that will be available nearby me, nearby Lucknow, so that I could attend my home also and study.
Oh, I see. Very nice. So do you love your parents?
I love my parents.
Can you live without them?
I can't live much without them.
Okay, how many days can you pass without your mother?
Nearby 15 days.
How many days can you pass without your father?
Nearby 15 days. Too.
15 days, alright. So you tell me one thing, do you visit somewhere with your parents?
I visit my relatives' home and places like hotels, restaurants, etc.
Alright, very nice. So how do you pass your day?
I pass my day by studying and using phone and playing football.
Playing football, very nice. How many footballs have you got?
I have got one football.
One football, very nice. So you play football with your friends?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So do you have interest in any other game?
No, sir, I am not interested.
You don't have any kind of interest in any other games. Alright. Do you have interest in cricket?
No, I don't like cricket.
Do you know Virat Kohli?
Yes, I know Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, what is he?
He is a cricketer.
He's a cricketer. Do you know his wife name?
So his wife name is Anushka Sharma.
Anushka Sharma, very nice. So you have a good knowledge. You are saying that I don't like cricket. Krishna, what do you do in your free time?
I play football in my free time.
Oh, very nice. Where do you play football?
At my home, nearby places, football grounds.
Football grounds, very nice. So do you help your mummy with her walks?
Yes, I help my mother with her chores.
With her chores? You help your mother with dusting, with cleaning, with mopping, with sweeping, or with kitchen?
Everything, sir.
Everything, alright. Do you help your mummy with kitchen also?
No, sir.
No, alright. Do you help your mummy with the cleaning and sweeping?
Yes, I help my mother with cleaning.
Alright. You tell me one thing, what does your mummy prepare for you the best?
My mother's prepare paratha for me the best.
Alright, paratha. So, what type of paratha do you take?
I take aloo paratha and I like aloo paratha the most.
Aloo paratha. Very nice. So, thank you very much, Krishna, for attending the session and for, explaining your routine and study and your life and your future. Thank you very much for coming in the show. Bolo English Bindas with Atul sir. So guys, thanks for watching this program.